Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate WhatsApp with Zoho CRM. So first, we're going to open Zoho CRM in your web browser. Then you're going to log in to your account. And after you've logged in, you're going to click on Access Zoho CRM over here at the top. And once you're here in the homepage, you want to navigate over here at the left and you want to click on the marketplace, which is represented by this orange icon. Then over at this apps page, you'll be able to see all of the extension that you can download so that you can integrate applications in Zoho CRM. But since we're looking to integrate WhatsApp, then we're going to click on the search bar over here at the top right corner. Then we're going to search for WhatsApp or Zoho CRM, which is this one. So you want to install this specific extension. So once you're here, you're just going to click on install. Then you're going to double check the details. Then once you're okay with that, you're just going to make sure that you're going to check the check boxes over here at the bottom. Then you're going to click on install. Then to continue with the installation, it will bring you to this new page. Then you're going to check the check boxes over here as well. Then you're going to click on continue to install. And to finalize your installation, you're going to select the users or the profiles that can access this WhatsApp. So you can install this for admins only, for all users, or for specific profiles. Then after that, we're going to click on confirm. And after that, WhatsApp for Zoho CRM will automatically be installed. Now it will redirect you to the setup page. So from here, you can either log in or register to your WhatsApp. So let's just click on log in. If you already have your WhatsApp account, then you will go ahead and log in. So you're going to input over here your username, then your password. So technically, you're just going to follow the steps over here at the right side in order to use WhatsApp here in Zoho CRM. So after you've logged in, it will automatically connect with Zoho CRM. Then we can go ahead and invite users so that they can also use WhatsApp here in Zoho. And the final step is to install the Google Chrome extension, but this is optional. That's just an extension that you can install for easier access. But if you don't want to download this, then you can always access the WhatsApp over here in Zoho CRM. So I hope this helps and thanks for watching.